Imagine yourself in this 1999 Mercedes-Benz CLK 320 Cabriolet. Don't miss this great deal on a luxury vehicle. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are LH auto-dimming mirror, heated windshield washer nozzles, single rear fog lamp, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, residual heat feature, burl walnut wood trim on doors, dash, shift gate, cruise control and heated rear window. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.